I make a small prayer to the Almighty God. We kindly light amidst uncertain gloom. Lead thou me on, lead thou me on.
Abakaran kumukongsan hakjingple ka national seminar bala punlong na Shillong Commerce College tingkat ka jintelang bal ka Northeastern Electricity Power Corporation Shillong ha State Convention Center umitirang ba uloong ba usi lijat jingtung ubadon bor bha namarla bampani boarding na u biomass energy kumtau da banjuri ba bakit sedang bantung no bonjai ki Siej hakishnong kitau khanang ba onlang pran kami u hakjingpani boarding Daka papan pawat ki karkhana ki shania teli haka jingdon ki boarding umitrang ba ulo ong baga jalahi menta ka war ki lar klinti bathamai namal man ki project kiran kambai eka boarding haka tai ka si ulai thuru bala pankre ban panyeso daka microgrid system ban poi boarding sakishnong ki bapaji tam ki bodan haka jala.
It was basically because 2003 when the Electricity Act, the new Indian Electricity Act 2003 came into force. Somehow or other, Meghalaya was far behind in thinking about implementation of the mandate of that very vibrant Electricity Act, which was the culmination of long due diligence involving all stakeholders and trying to understand the basic approach of handling this very critical sector as a government. So you can imagine the 50s and 2003, after more than 50 years, we had a new Electricity Act for the nation. And when we go through the Act, we can see how vibrant it is. It doesn't require any amendment as of now. We are yet to actually attend to many of the mandates that's there in Electricity Act 2003. And even if we critically analyze each of the mandates in this Electricity Act, we will find lots of answers to our problems.
Chief Secretary ke Jela ba PBO warji habakran kumusum bot kongsan ulo ong ba Meghalaya kadai kawini ke Jela ba Pahuh Bording handai kat nang ya ki polpat ke jingnang buon ki karkhana ke jingdawa boarding ru kalanang jurubat nang kiau kat kum ke jingong jung u kumbalong hadu mentahi ya ke Jela lapan biang boarding tang leng ba ko umbat kumta kladai ke pore ke Jela ban pai khmat sekwe pat ki telong kum nau doyong ni thermal energy namar udon kerhai ha ke Jela.
When Meghalaya became a state in 1972, it was perhaps the only state which came into being as a power surplus state. And it held that distinction of being one of the power surplus states for about 25 years till the mid-1990s. It was about that time when the demand for power grew, especially with the growth of industries, and soon we found that the demand for power had outstripped our supply for our own generation. It was also at about the same time, in the latter part of the 90s, that the government of India also went into the whole gamut of power reforms. This was the fact that power was becoming short in supply was not a phenomenon unique to Meghalaya at that time, but with the growth of industries and the demand for power in general all over the country, there was a need to have more power.